Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce lead scoring with Einstein, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Salesforce lead scoring with Einstein, you'll first need to log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the app launcher. From the app launcher, search for Einstein lead scoring and select it. If you don't see Einstein lead scoring, ensure you have the appropriate permissions and that the feature is enabled in your org. Next, review any existing scoring models in your environment. If you find no existing models, click on Create New Model to start fresh. You'll need to choose the object you want to score, which is typically the lead object. Once selected, proceed to configure the scoring criteria. Define the attributes that are most important for your scoring model. This may include fields such as job title, industry, and company size. Einstein uses historical data to determine the weight of each attribute. You can select attributes from the list or add custom fields as needed. Review the statistical significance of the attributes selected to ensure they improve scoring accuracy. After finalizing the attributes, click Next to move to the scoring setup. Here, you will define the scoring thresholds for different lead categories. These can typically be divided into high, medium, and low scores based on your business needs. Next, set up automatic lead scoring to run regularly, ensuring your leads are always updated. Choose your frequency settings, such as daily or weekly, depending on lead volume. After configuring the scoring rules, click Save to apply your changes. Now, you can return to the lead object and view which leads have been scored. Explore the scoring models to see how they perform over time. You may want to refine your models periodically based on new data or feedback. This will help them prioritize leads effectively based on the scores generated by Einstein. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.